Okay, good day guys, and welcome back. Today we have this given silver nitrate decomposes on heating according to the equation given below. Right, so what we have is 2 mole of silver nitrate decomposes to 2 mole of silver, 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide, and 1 mole of oxygen. And given that 42.5 gram of silver nitrate completely decomposes when heated in an experiment, we are required to calculate the mass of silver and the volume of nitrogen dioxide, and of course the number of moles of oxygen. Alright, let's get going. Right, first of course we have to find the MR of your 1 mole of silver, right? Relative molecular mass of silver nitrate, right? AgNO3. Silver would be 108 plus your nitrogen is 14 plus oxygen 16 multiplied by 3, so that will be sum up to 170 gram, right? That means 1 mole of silver nitrate will give you 170 gram. Since we are only given 42.5, right? So the number of moles, right, of your silver nitrate, right? The number of moles of silver nitrate, right, with the mass of 42.5, right? AgNO3 with a mass of 42.5, that means 42.5 divided by 170, 42.5 gram divided by 170 gram, right? And that will give us 0.25 mole, right? Okay, and we have to focus on the silver, right? Since the ratio of your silver nitrate and your silver, right, is 2 mole and 2 mole, right, 2 is to 2, so obviously 1 mole is to 1 mole, right, the ratio between your silver nitrate and silver. And we only use 0.25 mole of silver nitrate, so obviously we also use up 0.25 mole of silver, right? And we know that 1 mole, right, 1 mole of silver, okay, that will give us 108 gram, right? And we remember we only use 0.25 mole of silver, right? Okay, that will give you 0.25 mole divided by 1 mole multiplied by 108 gram, right? So the mass of silver will be equal to 0.25 mole, right, divided by 1 mole, okay, multiplied by 108 gram. Why I show you this? Because I hate to use formula, right? You can see that the mole and mole cancel off, you're left with gram alone, so obviously gram is your mass, right? So 0.25 multiplied by 108, that will give us 27 gram of silver. That's it. Simple. Okay, no formulas. I hate formulas. Alright, let's get on to our calculation of the volume of nitrogen dioxide form. Right, simple, same thing. You know that 1 mole of this give you 1 mole of this, because the ratio is 2 is to 2, isn't it? So 1 is to 1. Right, that means again the ratio of your silver nitrate AgNO3 is to your nitrogen dioxide, but based on the balanced chemical equation is 2 is to 2, so obviously 1 is to 1, right? And we have calculated just now 42.5 of silver nitrate is only 0.25 mole, right? So 0.25 mole of silver nitrate will also be 0.25 mole of nitrogen dioxide. And we know that 1 mole of NO2, right, will be corresponding, since you are talking about volume here, is 1 mole of any substance for that matter will be corresponding to your 24 cubic decimeter, right? Yeah, we play with volume because they want the volume of nitrogen dioxide. So 1 mole of a substance will be always be 24 cubic decimeter, and nitrogen dioxide is only 0.25 mole, right, based on our calculation previously. So 0.25 mole of your this nitrogen dioxide, right? So that would be the volume of NO2, right, will be equal to 0.25 mole divided by 1 mole multiplied by 24, you get your answer, right? 0.25 mole, okay, divided by 1 mole multiplied by 24 cubic decimeter. Alright, mole and mole cancel off, so obviously your answer is only cubic decimeter. That will be your volume, and that will give you 6 cubic decimeter. That's all about it, folks. Alright, again, no formulas, okay, forget about your formula. And the next one is your number of moles of oxygen formed. Alright, you can see that the silver, 2 mole of silver produces 1 mole of oxygen, right? So the ratio of your silver nitrate, AgNO3, is to your oxygen, right, will be 2:1, right? And we know that your silver nitrate is what, 0.25 mole, correct, of silver nitrate. That will give you 0.25 mole divided by 2 mole, right? That will give you your 0.125 mole of oxygen that is formed. Simple, no formulas. Alright, thank you. That's all, folks. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.